So today we are going to perform that practical of a FM generation and detection. Okay, आपको पता है कि FM generation क्या होता है, FM detection क्या होता है. So let's start that video with frequency modulation. Can you tell me the what is meant by frequency modulation? Can you tell me the frequency modulation? Frequency modulation क्या होता है? No one? बताया ना आपने सेकंड यूनिट में पढ़ा ना आपने द फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेशन इज नथिंग बट द व्हेन द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अ कैरियर हैव frequency of a carrier wave is changed in accordance with the intensity of a signal, the process is called as a frequency modulation. Or we can say that in shortly we can say that the changing of the frequency of a carrier. क्या होता है, कैरियर के अंदर जो भी चेंजेस दिखाई देते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी के अंदर जो भी चेंजेस दिखाई देते हैं, so we can call as a frequency modulation. ओके, डेफिनेशन कैसे बोलेंगे अपन, द चेंजिंग ऑफ अ फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अ कैरियर अकॉर्डिंग विद दैट instantaneous value or instantaneous signal of a modulating signal called as a frequency modulation. So this is a frequency modulation. Second thing is that the rest of the parameter when we have to perform the frequency modulation, the rest of the parameter means कौन से, आपके जो एम्पलीट्यूड है, आपका जो फेज है, it remains constant. Mean in the frequency modulation the amplitude and the phase of the carrier have remains constant. Only the frequency of the carrier will change according with the modulating signal. Okay, this is my modulating signal, this is my modulating signal, okay, and this is my carrier signal. Okay, and according with that modulating signal we are getting the different changing of a carrier signal. Here the point A, B, C, D like that. In that point A having the zero voltage, in that zero voltage there is no change of a carrier is occur. When the in point B some of the positive voltages occur, some of the voltages occur, some of the changes of the carrier is occur in that point B. Same in the C, having the some of the changes will be occur at the point C, zero voltage unchanged. In the D also the negative voltage having the some changes of a carrier occur in that negative cycle. Means so depending on that modulating signal we can say that shortly, the depending on that modulating signal the changing of the carrier will be occur. Here this point A, B, C, D like that. Okay, this point is available in that modulating signal. According to this point changing of the carrier will be generated. Okay, this is some of the changing of a carrier with respect to my modulating signal. This is a waveform. देखो यहाँ पे जो दिख रहा है पॉइंट बी पे क्या है, दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज, तो मैक्सिमम डेविएशन विल बी ऑकर. एंड पॉइंट डी दिस इज अ नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल, तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है मेरा, सम ऑफ द लेस डेविएशन और सम लेस चेंजेस विल बी ऑकर. इसका मतलब क्या है, मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी इज हियर इन द पॉइंट ए बिकॉज द पॉजिटिव वोल्टेज इज अवेलेबल एंड the carrier swing nothing but the twice of a deviation of a frequency. Means we can calculate the carrier swing by using this formula 2 into del f. Del f nothing but your frequency deviation. Okay, and in the FM broadcast it has been internationally agreed with the restrict of a maximum deviation up to 75 kilohertz तक रहती है. right, कितनी रहती है, 75 kilohertz. This is a kit. This is a Kestronic kit we have to use to generate and detection of a FM signal. Okay, FM signal. This is a kit is used to generate the FM modulating signal. This first block is your FM modulator. FM modulator is, or we can say that a transmitter part of that FM, and this is the receiver part, or we can say that FM demodulator. Okay, by using that FM modulation we can getting the frequency modulation at the output of my FM modulator, at the output of FM modulator. Here one of the knob is present here. By using this knob we can give the some of the modulating frequency, and minimum is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz तक frequency अपन क्या सकते हैं, we have to give by using this knob. Okay, by using this knob. And this is a sine wave. Means this is a sine wave means we have to give the some of the input signal from that this portion. This is a sine wave. This sine wave is given to that FM modulator. This is a DSO. This having the two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. In that channel 1 we are giving this analog signal by using this sine wave and having this frequency and having this amplitude. This is my channel 1 analog signal having this frequency up to कितना है फ्रीक्वेंसी यहाँ पे दिया गया है, और यहाँ पे 20 हर्ट्ज तक अपन क्या कर सकते हैं, उसको फ्रीक्वेंसी दे सकते हैं। ठीक है, दिस इज सम लिमिटेशन, सम ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज अवेलेबल अप टू दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी। अपन इस नॉब से क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे एनालॉग सिग्नल साइन वेव के थ्रू देंगे, और ये जो साइन वेव है किसको देंगे, अपन मॉनिटरिंग के इनपुट को देंगे। दिस इज माय मॉनिटरिंग इनपुट इज गिवन टू दैट इनपुट ऑफ FM modulator. Okay, so you can see here this is a 2 kilohertz to 20 hertz तक। देखो 20 hertz, 200 hertz एंड 2 kilohertz तक। तो अपन क्या करते हैं, 20 hertz का भी फ्रीक्वेंसी दे सकते हैं, 200 hertz भी दे सकते हैं, और 2 kilohertz भी दे सकते हैं। मैं दिस इज द मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी वी हैव गिवन बाय यूजिंग दिस नॉब 2 kilohertz। 2 kilohertz तक अपन क्या कर सकते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी दे सकते हैं। So this is the knob which is used to give the frequency. This is the analog signal. This is the modulating signal. We have to increase the frequency by using this knob up to 2 kilohertz. This is the frequency 27.51 hertz. ठीक है, by using varying this frequency we can measure this frequency by using this some of the function is available. This is the voltage, how much voltage is given, 5.5 peak to peak voltage is given. This is channel 1 and channel 2. Channel 2 is off। ठीक है, चैनल 1 के लिए अपन ने क्या दिया, इनपुट सिग्नल दिया है। हाउ मच फ्रीक्वेंसी वी हैव टू गिवन हियर, अप टू 2 किलोहर्ट्ज तक अपन क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी दे सकते हैं, अप टू 2 किलोहर्ट्ज तक। तो सो वी हैव टू गिवन द सम ऑफ द फिक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी वी आर गिवन बाय यूजिंग दिस नॉब। ओके, दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी is given from that knob and at the input of my FM modulator, and at the output of FM modulator we are getting this FM modulation, frequency modulation by using a channel 2. This is my channel 2. This channel 2 having this peak to peak voltage 3.5 voltage is a channel 1, and 3.5.7 volt peak to peak is a channel 2 signal. This is my FM output. Whatever the output will have to occur on the DSO. Okay, this is my FM output. This is my demodulator. At the demodulator we are getting the original signal from that demodulator. Okay, means baseband signal we have to generate by using the FM demodulation. So all this connection we have performed in that given circuit. This is my input signal is given to the modulating signal, whatever the signal I have given. This is my input signal, modulating signal. This is my modulating input signal. This is the ground. Ground is given, common ground is given for that particular, and this is my carrier signal, because in that FM modulator carrier signal or carrier frequency is fixed. Okay, carrier signal is fixed, और by using the sampling theorem इसकी carrier frequency कितनी रहती है, fs is greater than or equal to twice of fm। तो हमेशा carrier frequency अपनी क्या रहती है, ग्रेटर देन रहती है माय मॉड्यूलेटिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी से। तो आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा यहाँ पे, दोनों को अगर कंपेयर करोगे तो आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी इसकी ज्यादा दिखाई दे रही है। देखो, हियर इज सम ऑफ द चेंजेस विल बी ऑकर इफ द पॉजिटिव सिग्नल इज अवेलेबल, देन मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी विल बी here। if in the negative cycle, then the some of the frequency deviation, some of the less frequencies available in the negative cycle। Okay, here in the positive also maximum frequency is available, in the negative half cycle less frequency is available। So some of the deviation will be occur according with that my message signal। if my message signal is positive, then the maximum frequency deviation; if my negative half cycle, the less frequency deviation। So we can calculate the frequency deviation. We can calculate the frequency deviation by this cursor। Okay, this is my cursor, or some of the cursor is available or for to finding the deviation, maximum deviation and the minimum deviation. How much maximum deviation is available in the frequency modulation, and how much minimum deviation will be occur in that frequency modulation. By using that calculating, or by using the observing this frequency deviation, we can calculate the exact value of a frequency deviation। This is my frequency deviation, near about 13 microsecond is available, maximum deviation to the minimum deviation। or by using that frequency modulation per practical, we can calculate the frequency deviation, okay, maximum to the minimum, right? So here the some of the practical we have performed FM modulation, and the output of demodulator we are getting this kind of a signal. This is my information, this is my original signal we are getting at the output of demodulator. This is my input signal, this is my output signal, channel 2, देखो यहाँ पे डीमोडुलेटर पे मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, वी आर गेटिंग द ओरिजिनल सिग्नल वट एवर द सिग्नल वी हैव अप्लाइड फ्रॉम दैट इनपुट। फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ चैनल 5.5 किलोहर्ट्ज तक मैंने हर्ट्ज तक दिया है मेरी इनपुट फ्रीक्वेंसी चैनल 1 की, और चैनल 2 की कितनी सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी यू आर गेटिंग, देखो 5.53 सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी वी आर गेटिंग एट द आउटपुट ऑफ माई डीमोडुलेटर। मीन्स इसका मतलब जो मैंने इनपुट में दिया है मुझे आउटपुट में मिला है, बट हियर द सम ऑफ द voltage is changes in channel 1 3.4 voltage peak to peak, and in channel 2 4.8, some of the amplitude will be changing when we have to receive the original signal। ओके, मीन्स इसका मतलब क्या होता है, जब अपन इनपुट सिग्नल ओरिजिनल जब रिसीव करते हैं दैट टाइम द फ्रीक्वेंसी रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट। फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या रहती है अपने को, ओरिजिनल जो इंफॉर्मेशन वही अपने को मिलेंगी, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम रहेंगे, बट सम ऑफ द चेंजिंग विद द एम्पलीट्यूड। सम एम्पलीट्यूड क्या होता है, इसका वोल्टेज क्या होता है, सम ऑफ द एम्पलीट्यूड विल बी चेंजेस, उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं, अपन सम ऑफ द डेविएशन विल बी अवेलेबल ड्यू टू दैट एम्पलीट्यूड। Okay, and after that we are matching these two signal, input signal and output signal, some of the phase difference in between that two signal. This is my input and this is my output. Okay, sum of the phase we have to calculate it by using the comparing these two signal, or we can find out the sum of the delay. We can find out the sum of the delay in between that two signal, in input signal and output signal, right? Or we can calculate the phase difference between that my input signal and output signal. So these all these things related related with that frequency modulation. We are getting the FM modulation. Okay, these are the observation table. We have to by using the taking the reading one by one, we are getting the frequency deviation. If I am taking the information 1.05 volt, we are getting the output. This is my spectrum, frequency deviation spectrum. Okay, this is the practical related with the frequency modulation. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video for the practical of FM generation and detection. Is it clear? समझ में आया क्या आपको? How to generate the frequency modulation or how to generate the original signal by using the demodulator? Hello?
Yes, sir.
हेलो, समझ में आया क्या आपको कि कैसे अपन प्रैक्टिकली अपन